Welcome to another mega exciting 3-minute auto pairing. It says Yardbird. We're gonna have some sort of dragon contest here. Let's try a quick B5 to liven things up. I'll do this. And we'll see how bishop takes. Is that something? Bit of pressure? Let's crank up the pressure from here. Taking on C3. I don't know if this is enough. And can I not refuse? I can't refuse that really, can I? Maybe I can. Maybe rook takes d4. Let's try bishop f8 for a moment. Any ways of getting some counterplay? It's rook takes, bishop takes. No, not really. Queen e6. I'm losing the exchange, aren't I? Might as well win that bishop then. Might be bishop g7 stuff. With preparation. e6 and knight f4. I get to play e6 or not? Can I get any play here? Queen d7. No, he's winning more material. Oh no. No, there's no h3 check. Is that something or nothing? Appears to be nothing much. Try this. I've got knight takes for knight f6 check. Let me off the hook a bit. A hook. I'm on the hook now. There's knight f6 coming along.
check.
Yeah, it's just all over. That was massacre. Oh, got to play Yardbird on 3 minute though. Yeah, that was not clever. What I did, not clever. I regret this. Just Bishop D7 and try and be a bit more normal about things. I don't like having a theoretical dragon, which probably knows everything about though, but this did not get anything but a lost position. Yes, it doesn't matter if it's 3 minute, it's still a lost position. Completely lost position. I think just knight takes, he's threatening knight f6. Didn't matter. So he's so far won. Yeah. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.